morning, guys and girls. Today, in Learning with Mr. Gonzalez, we are going to learn how to calculate angles by using a protractor. First, we are going to look at the angle on the left. We see this is our angle, so we're going to look first at the inside scale. We see this number here, 70, and this number over there, 0. So we are going to subtract the larger number minus the smallest one. 0 minus 0, 0, and 70. This is an easy one. So 70 degrees. Now we are going to look at the outside scale. We have here 180 and over there 100 something. Let's look at the numbers. We have 100 on its left, 120 on its right. So between 100 and 120 there is 110. So 180 minus 110, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 1, 7. So 70 degrees. Last strategy we are going to use is only skip counting. We know that every long line represents 10. So from 110 to 120 goes 10 degrees. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So 70 degrees is my angle. Now let's look at the other angle we have over there. In this case, we're going to start by skip counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So my angle is 70 degrees. Now let's look at the inside scale. We have this number over here that is between 130 and 110, which means that is 120. And now let's look at the inside scale over there in the other line. Between 60 and 40, we got 50. 120 minus 50 equals 70. If you look at both angles, you see that both of them are 70 degrees. But both lines are in different positions. That may happen. We may have different angles, the same angle in a different position. Last but not least, we are going to look at the outside scale for this angle. So between 50 and 70, we got 60, and between 120 and 140, we have 130. So 130 minus 60, 0, 7, so 70 degrees. 70 degrees means that my angle is acute. Thank you guys and girls for watching. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye guys.